Into this video, we are going to see how to install an hotfix in BHCO remote ETL engines. Navigate to Administration, System, Maintenance, Patches tab. Scroll to the bottom of the page and browse the disk of your workstation to the folder where you have the additional package to install. Choose the additional package, choose to open and upload it. Follow the wizard to proceed with the installation. If necessary, accept the license statement. Choose the machine where you want to install the package and proceed with the activity. Wait until the installation is completed. Once the installation is completed, you can access this page to download the installation logs, and in case of errors, you will be able to provide them to BMC customer support to get help.
Thank you for watching and have a great day.